In this video, we're going to cover the software download for the current consoles that we have on the market. First step is to make sure that we format the USB drive to a FAT32 format. So go ahead and open your File Explorer and find your USB drive. In order to do this, you're going to go ahead and right click and click on Format. We're going to make sure that the file system is set to FAT32. So go ahead and click Start. Make sure that if you have any files on this USB drive, to save them to the desktop as they will be erased. Click OK. Once the system has formatted the USB drive, we will get confirmation. Click OK, and then we can close this window. The thing to note is that we want to make sure that we go to our downloads folder and make sure that it is completely empty. If you have downloaded software in the past and you re-download the new software, it will rename the file with a number and the console will not recognize the software. So now, let's go to our software download site. It's going to be www.halo.fitness/web/software-download.html. Once we're here, we'll be able to see all the current software that we have for our products. We'll be downloading all of the software on the one USB drive for this demonstration. If you have specific consoles, you can just download software for those particular consoles. We will begin to start to download the software. Please note that the Discover SE3 HD, SE3, ST, and 70T is the same software. You only need one version of this file. The hardware in the console will download the necessary files for that particular model. So let's go ahead and get started here. Now that the software is downloaded, we can go ahead and see that all of them have downloaded in the bar. I'm currently using Chrome, so this is going to be different for Internet Explorer or Edge. Go ahead and click and show all, and you should see all the downloads here. Okay, click on show in folder. This is going to go ahead and open our downloads folder. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open our other file explorer. And we're going to go down to our USB drive. So the files that end in .lfupd, those can be dragged over straight to the USB drive. Do not double click or open them because it can corrupt the file. Now that the files are on a USB stick, we're going to go to the other two files that are currently zipped. This is going to be our SESI software. So we're going to go ahead and double click on this. We're just going to take it one level down. Now you will actually see 5 different files in this folder. I'm going to go ahead and select all of them and drag them over to the USB. Now that we've moved over the software onto our USB stick, now we're going to go back and open our other file here, our Discover SE3, SE3 HD, ST, and 70T software. Go ahead and double click. You're going to go ahead and select all, and the same process, just drag them over. Now that all the files have transferred onto the stick, you should see your USB stick reflect these files here. Now what we need to do is go ahead and eject the USB drive to safely remove it from the PC. And this concludes the video on how to download the software onto a USB.